Ever wonder how you could master design software faster without attending a traditional classroom? Welcome to the era of artificial intelligence, where the boundaries of education have expanded beyond chalkboards and textbooks. Today, we're focusing on a particularly innovative application of AI, the realm of design software education. Imagine learning Photoshop or Illustrator at your own pace from the comfort of your home. That's the reality with AI tutors. These digital mentors are available round the clock, offering flexibility that traditional learning methods often lack. But the magic of AI tutors doesn't stop there. They're designed to adapt to your learning style, delivering personalized content that caters to your strengths and weaknesses. If you're struggling with a concept, they're patient. If you're excelling, they'll challenge you. This shift from traditional learning to AI tutors is not just a change, it's a revolution. AI tutors make learning design software not just feasible, but enjoyable and efficient. But how exactly do they work? AI tutors are not just a figment of our imagination, they are real, and they are revolutionizing how we learn. Let's dive deeper into the mechanism of these advanced AI tutors. The key ingredient driving their effectiveness is machine learning, a type of artificial intelligence that enables them to adapt and learn from experience. This means that these AI tutors can adjust their teaching methods to match the learning pace and style of each user, making the learning experience more tailored and effective. Think about it. If you're a visual learner, the AI tutor can present information in a way that's easier for you to grasp, maybe through diagrams or animations. If you learn better by doing, the AI tutor can provide interactive exercises for you to work on. It's all about catering to your unique learning style. But that's not all. AI tutors also provide instant feedback, which is crucial for effective learning. This means that as soon as you complete an exercise or a test, the AI tutor can immediately let you know how you've done, which areas you need to improve on, and even provide suggestions on how to make that improvement. This immediate feedback loop helps you to